Evening everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Anyway, how are you all today? How is your long weekend? The one who live in UAE, you have long weekend because it's holiday. From Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and until now, no work, no office. And the school also had break for holiday. I think this week the break of the school. And then they resume next week school, and then they have a Christmas vacation also. Anyway guys, I just want to ask how is everyone, how is your whole day before I go to sleep. Anyway, I'm sleeping. I'm so tired today. I'm exhausted because I'm so busy today, and last night I came home late because of our white Christmas party celebration in our church. Saturday night congregation, we celebrate Christmas party already. And next week, this coming Saturday, we're gonna have Christmas party again for our fellowship group and our ushering group. In the next week naman, special celebration for our ushering team in Saturday night for ushering team only. Anyway, before I go to sleep, I just want to ask how are you everyone, and I just want to say have a good night sleep, good night and sweet dreams to you all. See you tomorrow. Me, I'm sleeping also. I need to rest now because I'm tired from camping, and then tired from Christmas party yesterday, and then today is so busy. My whole body is spinning. I need to rest so that I can recharge my body, have energy for tomorrow. I have work again tomorrow. That's all guys, and careful everyone. Last night when I come home, there is accident happened there in the between Nazda Khalifa Street going to Murur. The taxi was big damage in front. Maybe they bump each other with the car. I don't know if the driver of the taxi or the passenger. But I hope there is no passenger with the taxi. It's very big damage in front of the taxi near this is the driver and this is the passenger. That's why the road there is closed. We're riding a taxi. The taxi stopped there in the park there. They cannot come here because the road there is closed. There are so many police. And when we see the taxi, the people inside the taxi is not there anymore. Maybe they bring to the hospital already. We don't know what happened, what really happened, why the taxi is broken in front. It's a huge, maybe it's very maybe when the driver is U-turn, the other car is going like this, bump in the side, in the passenger side. We need to always pray when we go out, every time we go out of the house, because the accident, we did not know what happened when we step outside of the house. Especially us that OFW only, we are not real residents here in UAE. What we gonna happen to us is big problem. That's all, guys. Take good care of your health and avoid accident. And prioritize our health, especially to those 40 and above, because when we reach 40 of our age, our internal organ it became weak and it's easy to so many sickness coming out from our body. That's why eat healthy, exercise, even walking, have sunlight every morning. That's all, guys. Bye bye and good night. Have a good night sleep, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. I love you all and I miss you all. Bye. Bye bye.